Friends, we have mega walk-in drive for freshers. So for 2023 and 2024 batches, they are hiring for various roles. So you can see here, main stock or a full stack developer, Python developer, and digital marketing. These are the roles, guys. If you are interested, you can walk in. They are conducting job fair. Date is 25th 2024 May, and company is Shanti Infosoft LLP. So let's see the more details and the company details and requirements and location, everything. So guys, here you can see they have updated a LinkedIn portal that they are looking for a new and exciting career opportunity in IT. And look, company is Shanti Infosoft LLP is hosting a walk-in drive on May 2025th 2024 for main stock or a full stack developer, Python developers, and digital marketing. And to register, they also provide a registration link. And the time is 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Location Shanti Infosoft LLP, plot number 70, first and third floor, PU4, scheme number 54, behind C21 mall, indoor location. And experience is freshers to 6 months, and qualifications BE, BTech, MTech, BBA, MBA, BCA, MCA, year of passing 23 and 2024. Salary, competitive salary range. And for more details, you can contact Shanti Infosoft LLP. They have provided two mobile numbers and also provided email. I will mention the link in the description. If you have any doubt, approach it, and you can see. And they also posted here, you can see all the details I already mentioned. So this is the opportunity, guys. Don't miss. If you have interested to these roles, and it's a job fair, guys, don't miss. Thank you.